This is about using the thermostat at Rockcreek. It's a standard thermostat, nothing fancy. These two buttons do your temperature that you desire. If you pull open this little flap, you'll notice there is your mode. Right now it's in off. Over to the left is cool. Off is one notch over. One notch over from that is heat. One notch over from that is timer. We don't really use timers, so you can either have it as heat, off, or cool. You also want to make sure that you're in auto. You can use the manual fan and it'll just run the fan as well. So you can use that, but we like to leave it on auto. And then you just adjust the temperature you desire. So I'm on cool. I like my house at 74. So I'll go up to 74 and I'm set. If you have any questions on that, you can call us at 1-866-322-5487, or you can email us at info@calivrbo.com.